Hello, I'm Bippo the Clown and welcome to Zippos Circus. Today I'm going to be showing what the life's like for all the children on the show. But first I'm going to give you a tour. Follow me. Hello, here we are now in the Big Top. Now the Big Top's just a really big tent. This is where everything happens really. This is the main part of the show. This is where all the shows are held and everything. The seats there is where you will sit when if you come and watch the show. Now if you look up, all of those ropes and everything, they're for the aerial artists, which means they do their act up in the air on equipment. So that's what all the ropes are. The thing at the back that says Zippos Circus, that's the bandstand. The reason it's called the bandstand is because the bands sit on top of it, or the orchestra. Now the circus ring was designed over 200 years ago. That's a long time ago. It was designed by a man called Mr. Philip Astley. Now he designed it because it was a perfect width and it was a magical number so that the horse could run around the ring and not have any problems whatsoever and not be uncomfortable. And the first ever act that was in circus was called the riding machine.
Ladies, that's very good. Oh, here we go! Whoa! 1, 2, 3. Come here, ladies. Go ahead. Go ahead. Right, let go. Step up. Give him a big round of applause.
The generators for the show. That's all the electricity for the show. Behind me are all the caravans. They're for artists, and my caravan's over there as well, and Norman Barrett's caravan's just over there with all the budgies in. So that's where everybody lives each week. Hang on, what's your name?
Christina.
Christina. Now, where do you live?
Or Pulbrook School.
Oh, you live in Pulborough School. Where do you live on the circus?
In this big trailer.
In this big trailer here. Do you want to show me inside?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Is this your caravan?
Yes. This is where we eat on that table.
Wow.
This is the refrigerator.
That's cool.
And that's the television.
Is that the television?
And if you look down, you'll see the remote controls.
Wow, remote controls. Now, where do you sleep?
Follow me.
Okay. Right, so is this your bedroom?
Yes, it is. These are my toys.
Wow.
This is my bed, what I sleep with. This is Patch and Babu, and that's a Pegasus. This is my television, and this is my radio studio. These are my fishes. Well, actually, they're not real though, but they're fishes. Yeah.
Cool.
This is Patch, Babu, and Patchio.
It's a zebra.
Yeah, I call him Patchio, and this is my purse.
All right then.
This is my A. This is my C, sirs, and I've got my A's to practice and my
Wow, are
T's.
these all to help you writing?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's to show me which way I've got to do them, because sometimes I forget which way to go, like H, M, B.
So what do your mummy and daddy do in the circus?
My mum and dad train the horses and...
Train the horses? Here we are with Christina. These are her horses, aren't they?
Yes.
Yes.
And you can come in if you like. This is Amiga. He is the biggest horse we've ever had in the whole wide world. We haven't had a horse big like this one before, but this is Amiga. He's the biggest horse we've ever had from here.
It's huge. Now, what's the next one called?
Follow me. This one's called Rolex. He is a gorgeous. He's a Palomino. These ponies are all Palomino. Every single one's Palomino. This one's called Rolex, and he is the same as that one over there, and he's the same size. This one's 3 years old.
Hello.
Amiga, Rolex. He will take your hair off. This one here is bronze behind you, and this is he's a baby. He's only 3 years old. Be careful because he lips. He's only 3 years old.
And what are these over here?
These are the Falabellas, which are all. This one here is Flick. Here, that one's the Woody, and over there is the biggest pony we've ever had, Buzz. And over here, and this is Spirit. And if you like, you can stroke one of the ponies down here.
That's cool.
Flick, Flick, come on, say hello.
So do you have other friends on the circus then?
Yes, we have a friend called Karina, and she likes these ponies as well.
Does she?
Yes.
Do you like watching TV and stuff?
Yeah, I like watching football and stuff.
Football?
And boxing.
Unboxing?
Yeah.
Hello, I'm here with, oh hang on, what's your name?
Karina.
Karina. Now where do you live?
France.
France. And where do you live on the circus?
Don't know.
Don't know.
Caravan.
Oh cool, so who do you live with? Do you live with your mummy? Wow. Is it fun living on the circus? Yeah? What's your mum doing in the show?
Foot juggling.
Foot juggling. You've been on the circus for long? Yeah? For all your life?
No.
No. Okay then. Cool. Now what's your favourite act in the show?
Foot juggling and a dance.
Obviously. Okay, so have you got any friends on the show?
Yeah.
Who's that then?
Kristina.
Christina. Wow, do you play with her and stuff?
Yeah.
What do you do? Do you play with Barbies and Teddies and stuff?
Yesterday I was playing the... Patamudli.
Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Play-Doh. Oh wow. Was it good?
Yeah.
Wow. Have you ever seen the horses?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like them? Little ponies.
Mhm.
That's cool then. Okay, well, thank you very much, and I'll speak to you later. Well, hello. I'm in the tent now, and I'm joined by, what's your name?
Karim.
This is Karim. Wow. Now, what do you do in the show, Karim?
The handstand and juggling.
You do what?
Handstand and juggling.
Oh, that's cool. So how long have you been doing that for?
Since I was 2 years old.
Since you were 2?
Yeah.
Wow. And were you as good as you were now? When you were
No.
2? No. Okay.
Lots of practice.
So who do you live on the circus with then?
My dad and my mom and my 2 brothers.
What's your whole family then?
Yeah.
That's cool. So what's it like actually living on the circus?
Fun.
How do you go about doing schoolwork and stuff like that?
Schoolwork I do with my mom actually. So
Oh, so you do it in the caravan then?
yeah, and then sometimes some traveling teachers come out to us and then we do it like that.
So they teach you all the work that
And they
the school
teach us,
gave you?
yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Do you think that's a good way of doing it, or?
Yeah, it's because it's nearly like you're doing it in school. It's exactly
Yeah.
the same, so it's just the same schoolwork, but you're on your own.
Okay, so whereabouts do you come from then?
I'm actually Australian. I was born in Australia. My dad's Moroccan and my mom's English.
Wow, so we're mixed, that, don't yeah. So do you move all around the UK with the circus then?
When I was 2 years old, I came from Australia, and then we was moving around with another circus.
Wow, so you just
And
went
then we
all around
went.
England, yeah?
Then we went overseas to another country, to
Which
Europe
countries
and
have you been to?
many, like Spain, Morocco, Italy, wherever you name.
Wow, all working on the circus then?
Yeah.
That's cool. Hello, here we are in the foyer tent. It's just before the start of the show. And in the shop over here is Jermaine Del Bosque and Karina. Now this is the other shop. There's Karina's grandma inside. Jay! Yes. Say hello.
Hi. I'm Jermaine's mum.
It's Jermaine's mum. In this shop it sells hot dogs with cheese, cheesy chips. Hello, I hope you've enjoyed the small insight into the way all the kids live on the show, and I hope you've learned a lot more about Zippos Circus and all the stuff that happens behind the scenes. So, I'll see you next time. Bye. I think it's a bit too small.
Look at me.